Hi guys, this is Zozo Stock Watch. Let's talk about trading, okay? They don't always go the way you want. So here I am watching this MTBC. I call it for a break of over $2. We get the break over the $2 mark, right? And let me just check the time on this candle because I put it in the room at 9:30. So yeah, this would have been the candle. So I'm watching this and saying that if this gets over 2, we could possibly get a continuation move, and we did get the continuation move, but then it comes right back at me, so I'm out, down a nickel on first trade of the day. Second trade of the day, which I am still in SOL. All right, I'm still in this SOL, just hanging around small shares, nothing major, over 264. So it's currently at 260. So this one looks like it's going to be a flat trade to minus 5 cents. Next trade up was XGTI. And XGTI, pretty much same thing here on this candle. So I called this over the 205 break. So right in this spot. And I'm expecting this to, take out the highs from here of 206, and we had a high on this candle of exactly 206. So it goes up, hits the 206, and I'm watching it, starts to come down, another nickel loss on that one. And so there's 2 nickel losses for the day right off the bat. But 5 cents, if you're a trader and you can't handle 5-cent loss, get out of the business, okay? So keep plugging along, looking for what's going to come up next. Next one I watched was RDHL, and this one I alerted at over $10.20. And finally, I got the continuation I wanted, and I got most of this off at 10.50. So here's the 10.20 break, right here where my cursor is. Here's the 10.20 break. And if you look at this, you're looking at a 2-minute chart with pre and post market, and we're holding above the 2-minute 28 EMA, this yellow line that you see. So we get above the 10.20, and then I'm up 30 cents and sold the rest at around 10.58, I think it was, on the rest. So boom, nice trade back there. All losses gone. Next one up, CCCR. All right, CCCR, I called this one at 9:41, and I was looking for the 295 break. Could have called this, I guess, at the 290, but I wanted it to be closer to 3 because we had this resistance here at 295. If you go back on the 2-minute chart yesterday, here was the 2-minute chart, and we hit that 295. So over 295. And then we got a continuation move up to $3.30. So I was selling most of this at 320 and got the rest off probably around 328, 327 for CCCR. So that was a move of let's see, about 25 cents. So all losses are cleaned up, green for the day. But the thing I'm trying to get across to you is that you are, in the morning you are going to have trades that go against you. Don't let them kill you, and don't take big losses on your trades, all right? Because what you want to do is, let's say MTBC, yeah, it didn't work, right? So it comes at you again for, minus 5 cents, 6 cents. Don't take more than, a 10-cent loss on an early morning trade. And what this allows you to do is, first off, it allows you to play other stocks. And secondly, if this should set up again, it allows you to play it again. unfortunately it still hasn't set up again, but you know, with CCCR moving up nicely and RDHL, all right, that moved up nicely also. So nice and green for the day now. Keep those losses small. Keep your head. Play a proper share size that, you know, is affordable to you, and that if you take a nickel to 10-cent loss, you know, especially the first trade of the day, 10 cents is too much. Keep it to like a nickel loss. Second trade, you know, you can give it up to 10 cents, but you know, as you do this more, you get a feel for how stocks are gonna, you know, go or not go. And when you see them, you know, popping and pulling straight back on you, you know, that's your signal to be defensive and to get out of the trade quickly, and then trade something else or watch that same stock for another setup. All right, so this has been Zozo Stock Watch. So I did, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. We'll call SOL a loss for 4 cents. So I'm out of SOL, and so you know, 2 worked, 3 were no goes for, you know, -5, -4, -5, and then we had a nice trade on RDHL. And RDHL paid me well, so that was my best trade of the day. And then CCCR was the next one up, and that one paid well also. So those were my 2 big winners, and they negated all the, you know, the 3 small losing trades. So keep your losses small, and you can forget about them, and you know, enjoy your winners. If you keep your losses too big or make your losses be too big, you'll never forget them, okay? And it will hurt you. All right, thanks for listening. A little trading advice from Zozo Stock Watch. And thank you very much for listening to my YouTube channel. And hit that subscribe button. Thanks very much. Have a great rest of the day.